Yo, 28. It's that age where you think you've got it figured out, right? Not quite, my friends, not quite. Trust me, I know. I was cruising along, thinking I was invincible. Good job, decent apartment, life was good. Then, bam! Unemployment hit me like a Tyson left hook. I never thought it would happen to me. I mean, I was good at my job, or so I thought. But the reality is, it can happen to anyone. One day you're high-fiving your colleagues, the next you're getting that dreaded tap on the shoulder. Yeah, that, "Can you come into my office?" You know the one. It felt surreal. Like waking up in a bad episode of The Twilight Zone. One minute you're a productive member of society, the next you're staring at your reflection wondering what went wrong. Let me tell you, it messes with your head, man. Getting laid off is a weird experience. It's like a breakup, but with your job. You go through all the stages of grief, denial, anger, bargaining, depression, and eventually, acceptance. Okay, maybe not in that order, and definitely not as neat and tidy. First came the shock. I walked out of that meeting in a daze, clutching that cardboard box filled with my desk junk. It felt like a physical manifestation of my failure, like I was carrying around all my mistakes. Then came the anger. Why me? What did I do wrong? It felt so unfair. I was angry at my boss, angry at the company, angry at the universe. I was basically a walking, talking Kanye West rant waiting to happen. But mostly, I was scared. Scared of the unknown. Scared of what this meant for my future. Scared of becoming another statistic. The initial days were a blur. I went through the motions, updating my resume, scrolling through job boards, pretending to be busy when my mom called. But deep down, I was in denial. This couldn't be happening. I had plans, ambitions, a Netflix queue to get through. But reality has a way of biting you in the behind when you least expect it. The job applications went unanswered. The interviews, if I even got them, led nowhere. The rejection emails piled up, each one a tiny paper cut to my already bruised ego. And that's when the self-doubt crept in. Maybe I wasn't good enough. Maybe I wasn't cut out for this. Maybe I should just move back in with my parents and become a professional couch potato. Yeah, it got dark. Section 4. Picking up the pieces. A journey of self-discovery. But somewhere between binge-watching bad reality TV and perfecting the art of instant ramen, something shifted. I realized I had two choices: wallow in self-pity or pick myself up and fight back. Easier said than done, right? I started small. I forced myself to get out of the house, even if it was just to go for a walk in the park. I reconnected with friends, the ones who didn't mind my constant complaining. Thanks, guys. I even started volunteering at a local soup kitchen, which, let me tell you, is a humbling experience. And slowly but surely, things started to change. I rediscovered my passions, the things that made me, well, me. I started writing again, something I hadn't done seriously since college. I even took up stand-up comedy, which, let me tell you, is terrifying and exhilarating all at the same time. Section 5. Emerging Stronger. A New Perspective. It took time, but I eventually found my way back. I landed a new job, one that I actually enjoy, most days anyway. It's not always easy, but then again, what is? The important thing is, I learned some valuable lessons along the way. I learned that it's okay to ask for help, that failure is not the end, but an opportunity for growth, that sometimes life throws you a curveball, and the best you can do is adjust your swing. So, to anyone out there going through something similar, know this: you're not alone. It's tough, it's messy, and it's okay to not be okay. But you're stronger than you think. You've got this.